Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Rajat Thakur, student of BCM College of Education. Today I am here on National Sports Day to share with you all biography of Major Dhyan Chand. First of all, let us learn about National Sports Day. National Sports Day is also known as the Rashtriya Khel Divas. It was first celebrated in the year 2012. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. This day is celebrated by organizing friendly matches between different Indian hockey teams at Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. It was constructed in the respect and honor of Dhyan Chand. Who was Major Dhyan Chand? Let us see the biography of Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was a legendary hockey player. He represented India in hockey at international level. The real name of Dhyan Chand was Dhyan Singh. He is also known as the Wizard, Hockey Wizard and Chand. He was born on August 29, 1905 at Allahabad. His hometown is Jhansi and his religion is Hinduism. Early life of Major Dhyan Chand. His father, Sameshwar Dutt Singh, was in army as Subedar and played the game of hockey. He had two brothers named Mool Singh and Roop Singh. Dhyan Chand could not resume his studies after 6th standard as his family used to move from one place to another. Dhyan Chand was not much interested in sports initially, but once he started getting interest in it, he used to make himself hockey sticks from the tree branches and ball from red clothes. Army career. In 1922, he joined Punjab Regiment as a sepoy at the age of 16. Major Bhole Tiwari of Brahmin Regiment taught him the basics of the game. Pankaj Gupta was his first coach. He was promoted to lieutenant rank in 1937. He retired from Indian Army in 1956 at the age of 51. He was with the rank of major at the time of retirement. Early hockey career. Dhyan Chand is named as Hockey Wizard after the final match of Punjab Infantry Tournament in Jhelum. He scored 3 goals in last 4 minutes in that match, where his team was losing by 2 goals, and got his team the victory in that match. He delivered brilliant performance in the first inter-provincial tournament held in 1925. On the basis of his performance, he was selected for International Hockey Team of India. International career. He was selected in Indian hockey team for New Zealand tour in 1926. During the tour, the Indian team scored 20 goals in a match played at Denwick, and Dhyan Chand alone had scored 10 of them. India won 18 out of 21 matches with 1 match drawn. After New Zealand tour, he was promoted to the post of Lance Nayak in the army. Olympic Games. He was the hero of 1928 Amsterdam Olympics with a tally of 14 goals in 5 matches. He made India one gold medal in 1928. In Los Angeles Olympics 1932, his brother Roop Singh joined the team. Indian team led by Lal Shah Bukhari again won the gold medal by defeating USA hockey team by 23-1, which remained a world record. In 1934, he became the captain of team. India again won gold in 1936 Olympics held at Berlin. A famous incident during 1936 final. During the final played against Germany in 1936 Olympics, after first half of the match, Dhyan Chand was not able to run properly, so he took off his shoes and went barefoot to score 3 goals and made his team win. Adolf Hitler was so impressed by his performance that he offered him German citizenship and a promotion to the rank of colonel. Chand immediately rejected the offer and told Hitler that India would be his home till the day he died. It is said that Hitler tried to buy Dhyan Chand's hockey stick. Last days of Dhyan Chand. Towards the end, Dhyan Chand had many health problems. He was short of money and was badly ignored by the nation. He developed liver cancer and was sent to AIIMS, New Delhi. He died on 3rd of December 1979. Honor of Dhyan Chand. For his extraordinary service to the nation, the Government of India celebrates Dhyan Chand's birthday as National Sports Day. The Indian Postal Service issued a postage stamp in his memory. Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. He was honored by the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in year 1956. Dhyan Chand Award. It is also known as Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games. It was first instituted in the year 2002. It is presented annually to the sportsperson for their best contribution in sports and persistent effort even after retirement.
There may be people that have more talent than you, but there is no excuse for anyone to work harder than you do. Good morning, everyone present here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to Sports Day celebration. My name is Shilpa Thakur and today I am going to deliver a speech through PowerPoint presentation before you on National Sports Awards. These awards are given in the memory of Dhyan Chand on his birthday, who is Padma Bhushan awardee. There are several national awards: Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Dronacharya Award, Arjun Award, Dhyan Chand Award, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy, Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award, Rashtriya Khel Ratan Protsahan Puraskar. Firstly, we will talk about Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. This award is awarded for highest sports honor in India. It rewards as rupees 7.5 lakh cash prize and it was first awarded in 1991-92. And winners of this award is Shri Rohit Sharma for cricket, Shri Muriyappan for para athletics, Miss Manika Batra for table tennis, Miss Vinesh for wrestling, Miss Rani for hockey. Dronacharya Award. This award is awarded for sports coaching honor in India. It rewards as rupees 5 lakh rupees cash. It was first awarded in 1985. And list of winners is as follows: Shri Dharmender Tiwari Archery, Shri Purushottam Rai Athletics, Shri Shiv Singh Boxing, Shri Ramesh Pathania Hockey, Shri Krishna Kumar Huda Kabaddi, Shri Vijay Bhalchandra Munishwar Para Powerlifting, Shri Naresh Kumar Tennis, Shri Om Prakash Daya Wrestling. Third one is Arjuna Award. This award is also sponsored by Government of India. It rewards as rupees 5 lakh rupees cash and it was first awarded in 1961. List of award winners is as Shri Akashdip Singh Hockey, Shri Atanu Das Archery, Miss Dute Chand Athletics, Shri Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy Badminton, Shri Chirag Chandrasekhar Shetty Badminton, Shri Vishesh Bhrigwanshi Basketball, Subedar Manish Kaushik Boxing, Miss Lovelina Borgoin for boxing, Shri Ishant Sharma for cricket, Miss Dipti Sharma for cricket, Shri Savant Ajay Anant for equestrian, Shri Sudesh Jhingam for football, Miss Aditi Ashok for golf, and Miss Deepika for hockey, Shri Deepak for kabaddi, Shri Kale Sarika Sudhakar for kho-kho, Shri Dutt Babban Bhokhanal for rowing, Miss Manu Bhakhar for shooting, Shri Saurabh Chaudhary for shooting, Miss Madhurika Suhas Patkar for table tennis, Shri Divij Sharan for tennis, Shri Shiva Keshavan for winter sports, Miss Divya Kakran for wrestling, Shri Rahul Aware for wrestling, Shri Suyash Narayan Jadhav for para swimming, Shri Sandeep for para athletics, Shri Manish Narwal for parachuting. Next one is Dhyan Chand Award. This award is awarded for lifetime achievement sporting honor in India. This award is also sponsored by Government of India. This award is as rupees 5 lakh rupees cash. It was first awarded in 2002 and recent winners of this awards are Shri Kuldeep Singh Bhullar Athletics, Miss Jinsi Phillips Athletics, Shri Pradeep Shri Krishnan Gandhi for badminton, Miss Tripati Murgunde for badminton, Miss N Usha for boxing, Shri Lakha Singh for boxing, Shri Sukhwinder Singh Sandhu football, Shri Ajit Singh for hockey, Shri Manpreet Singh for kabaddi, Shri J Ranjit Kumar for para athletics, Shri Satya Prakash Tiwari for para badminton, Shri Manjeet Singh for rowing, late Shri Sachin Nag for swimming, Shri Nandan P. Wal for tennis, Shri Netrapal Huda for wrestling. Next is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy, which is also known as MACA. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy was instituted in 1956-57 as a running trophy. As a running trophy is awarded by the President of India each year to university which has all-round best performance in sports at inter-university, national and international competitions. This trophy is awarded to our Punjab University, Chandigarh. Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award.
You have to expect the things of yourself before you can do to them. A pleasant good morning to all present. On the special occasion of National Sports Day, I want to congratulate respected Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and the students. For me, Rajat and Shilpa have already presented their PPTs on Major Dhyan Chand's life and the different types of awards in the field of sports. Now, there are seldom instances when Indians unite as a nation behind a common cause, and sporting event are some of these instances. Some sports dominate much more than others in terms of sheer popularity and following, while some lag behind in the race to gain attraction. The importance of sports is on the same lines as the importance of cinema, art or theatre. Sports professionals serve as inspiration for young Indians, from Sachin Tendulkar and Dhyan Chand to Saina Nehwal and Sushil Kumar. Sportsmen and sportswomen have brought a pure joy to a nation. Aside from learning the trade, children learn the value of team ethic, hard work, preparation and practice. If we want to win medals at future Olympics, fostering a sports culture in schools from the grassroots level is of primary importance. I will show the popular sports of India. Here. The first sport is cricket. The popularity of cricket in India is unparalleled compared to the interest generated by a particular sport in any other country. India's performance in cricket has a huge role to play in its sustained popularity. From the World Cup in 1983 to the Champions Trophy 2013, India has remained the contention for the top prize in the international cricket. This era has been marked with some of the best cricketers Indian cricket and the world have ever seen, like Sachin Tendulkar, Anil Kumble, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman and MS Dhoni. With a new generation of cricketers being led by Virat Kohli, one can expect many good things in the future. Next popular in India is football, famously called the sleeping giant of the footballing world by a former FIFA president Sepp Blatter. Football is primarily a spectator sport in India. The Indian football team is currently ranked 105th in the world. The Premier League is one of the most watched sport league in India. To encourage a culture of football in India, many top European clubs such as Manchester United, Liverpool, Arsenal, Real Madrid, Barcelona have dedicated fan groups which are connected with the supporters across the world. Sport is badminton. Badminton had always been a sport of great interest in the general public. After establishing herself across various tournaments, Saina Nehwal etched her name in history books by picking up a bronze medal at the London Olympics 2012. Nehwal's achievement was surpassed by her younger counterpart PV Sindhu. She won a silver medal in the Rio Games in 2016. Besides picking up medals at the Olympics, there have been other players who have brought top honors such as K. Shrikant, Jwala Gutta, Ashwini Ponappa. Sport that is popular in India is Kabaddi. While different sports in India like badminton and hockey would have nabbed the third sport a few years back, Kabaddi has returned to the center stage of Indian sports. Pro Kabaddi League held annually across various cities in India. In 2014, the PKL became the second most popular league in India. India and Iran are the two top Kabaddi playing nations in the world at the moment. India has won all the Kabaddi World Cup until 2017. The next sport in India is hockey. The national sports of India, hockey is still trying to find a way back to the golden years when it brought back and gold medals from every passing Olympic Games. Led by Dhyan Chand, India dominated the hockey world with over 8 Olympic gold medals. The Hockey India League began in 2013 to create a ground-based following amongst the general public for hockey. The tournament was recognized by Federation of International Hockey (FIH) and allowed top players from all nations to participate. The next popular in India is tennis. One of the most popular sports in the world, tennis has a keen following in India. Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupathi together have won a number of Grand Slam doubles titles. After them, Rohan Bopanna and Sania Mirza are the two experienced professionals representing India. To increase the viewership of tennis in India, Mahesh Bhupathi launched the International Premier Tennis League in 2014. The league was a moderate success as depended on the appearance of tennis stars such as Roger Federer, Pete Sampras for a viewership. The next that is popular in India is wrestling. Wrestling has brought India a number of medals from many major tournaments. Indian grapplers have recently made a strong impression on the international stage. Sushil Kumar, one of India's most successful Olympians, is a two-time Olympic medalist. Wrestling was gained even more popularity with the success of box office hits like Sultan and Dangal. Movies such as these plays a crucial role in educating the general public about the sports they have little knowledge about. The sport that is popular in India is boxing. Boxing is a professional sport very different from the WWE and other combat-based shows. The sport shot to a fame in India after Vijender Singh brought a home bronze medal in the 2008 Beijing Games. Beside Vijender, MC Mary Kom won a bronze medal at London Games. In 2012, Vijender Singh also returned in 2015 when he began his career in professional boxing. Since he began his career, Vijender has fought 9 bouts and emerged victorious in all of them. The next thing is awards that are given in the field of sports. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is India's highest award for achievement in sports. It recognizes the spectacular and the most outstanding performance in the field of sports by a sportsperson. It comprises of medallion, certificate, cash prize of 7.5 lakh. The next important award that is given in the field of sports is Dronacharya Award. It honors coaches who have done outstanding and meritorious work on a consistent basis and is meant to motivate them towards raising the standard of sportsperson. It comprises of statue of Dronacharya, a certificate, ceremonial dress, and a cash prize of 5 lakh. Next thing is upcoming big events in India. Asian Wrestling Championship and FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup are postponed due to COVID-19. Otherwise, it was decided to be held in New Delhi 2020. Men's World Boxing Championship will be held at New Delhi in 2021. Men's Hockey World Cup will be held in 2023. And Cricket World Cup will be held at multiple venues of India in 2023. The next thing is the popular colleges of sports in India, that are Guru Gobind Singh Sports College, Lucknow, Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, Patiala, Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, Trivandrum, Amity School of Physical Education and Sports Science, Noida, Chandrasekhar College of Physical Education, Pune. On 29 August 2019, our Honorable Prime Minister had launched a movement that was Fit India Movement. The main logo behind this movement was zero investment and unlimited returns. Some of the highlights of that movement that are healthy man healthy means healthy family, which ultimately leads to a healthy society. Be it the boardroom or the Bollywood, mind is hit if body is fit. Fitness should be a standard of living. For efficiency at work, physical fitness is necessary. No elevator to success, you have to take the stairs. Change your lifestyle to improve your health. Make fitness a part of daily life.
Good morning everyone, I am Richa. I am here to sing a song on National Sports Day. So let's start. हो ऐसा खेल दिखाओ यारो, सब मिल धूम मचा दे। ऐसा खेल दिखाओ यारो, सब मिल धूम मचा दे। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। खेलेगा इंडिया तो खिलेगा इंडिया। खेलेगा इंडिया तो खिलेगा इंडिया। ओ खेल ही जाने खेल ही माने, खेल ही धर्म हमारा है। खेल ही जाने खेल ही माने, खेल ही धर्म हमारा है। जो जाति धर्म मजहब को जोड़ दे, बंधन वो अपनाना है। जो जाति धर्म मजहब को जोड़ दे, बंधन वो अपनाना है। चाहे जो भी सामने आए, हम ना डरने वाले। चाहे जो भी सामने आए, हम ना डरने वाले। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। खेलेगा इंडिया तो खिलेगा इंडिया। खेलेगा इंडिया तो खिलेगा इंडिया। ओ कब और किस पे करे भरोसा, खेल ही हमें सिखाते। कब और किस पे करे भरोसा, खेल ही हमें सिखाते। जो खेल को केवल खेल ही समझे, खेल ही उसे हरा दे। जो खेल को केवल खेल ही समझे, खेल ही उसे हराते। आगे यूं ही बढ़ते जाएं हम सब नए परवाने। आगे यूं ही बढ़ते जाएं हम सब नए परवाने। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ठहरे ना ये कदम हमारे, ऐसी दौड़ लगा दे। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। ना रुके कभी ना थके कभी है अपना इंडिया। खेलेगा इंडिया